Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today, as you can see here, I have my Acorns app pulled up, and today I thought I would take a look at the 6-month performance of an initial $500 investment portfolio. If you guys remember back to my prior videos, I put in initially $5 into the application here on May 1st. Actually on May 3rd here, to test out the platform, put an additional $495 into the application in August as well, bringing up the total portfolio value to $500. And then since that time, I've been following this forward to see what kind of rate of return this robo-investor offers. Again, if you guys remember from my prior videos, this is an application that is a really hands-off application. You simply select between 5 different levels of risk. I chose the riskiest option in the portfolio, and the company will go ahead and buy stocks on your behalf. Again, you can't choose exactly what you buy. You simply pick one of 5 different risk tolerance levels, and the company will buy fractional shares of stocks on your behalf. So as you can see here, for the portfolio, the large company stocks, small company stocks, emerging market stocks, real estate stocks, and international company stocks are simply underlying ETFs here. So for large company stocks, this is a VOO stock. You can go through some of the stats as well, how many shares you own, as well as holding value, as well as featured holdings. But again, you can look this up on Google, on the internet. This is VOO, a very good Vanguard fund. And actually, every one of the stocks I own in the portfolio is a Vanguard fund. Here you can see VB, a Vanguard small cap ETF. Going down the list here, emerging market stocks, a VWO stock, Vanguard Emerging Markets ETF. As we continue down the list here, this is a VNQ Vanguard REIT Index ETF. And on the bottom here, stocks, VEA Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF. Again, the company will buy these on your behalf according to the risk tolerance level you set. There's 5 different levels, and I have chosen the riskiest level of tolerance for the portfolio. So going back here, again, you can see $5 is put in back in May, additional $495 in August. And since that time, the portfolio has had a reasonable rate of return here, 8.42%. Again, like Stash Invest, this also charges a fee per month, $1 per month. So that does take a little bit of the market gain out of the portfolio. Over the last 6 months, it's been doing very, very well, 10.51%. And again, like my videos with the Robinhood portfolio as well as the Stash Invest portfolio, you can see this has pulled back here a bit over the last couple of weeks or so, over the last month. It has been rebounding nicely here as well. So at one point, this was down to $506, I believe. Yeah, $506.57. So you can see there a considerable chunk of the rate of return definitely was taken out of the portfolio here. It is rebounding, and I would continue to see that rebound over the next week here. At least that's what I anticipate over the next week. But the application has something very interesting here. If we click on the right question mark here up in the top right corner, you can see the performance of the market over the last few years or so. You can notice a couple of big dips there, 2001 and 2007. And since that time, you can see the market has been on a historic bull run there. Since 2008, after the Great Recession, you can see the market has absolutely taken off. So I do believe that there should be a correction over the last week or so. Again, I alluded to that earlier, that there has been a pullback in the market. At one point in my portfolio, the Robinhood portfolio was down 11%. So I definitely would consider that to be a correction. But you can still see here that the market is absolutely on fire. It's been trending up really more than it's ever trended up in the history of the stock market. So again, those big pullbacks, 2001, 2007, were definitely related to some underlying economic developments, the dot-com era, as well as the mortgage crisis. But I don't think there's a lot of value left in the market, to be quite honest. So I think there's still profit to be made, gains to be made in the market. But you can see there that the market may be set up for a historic recession. I could see the market pulling back 10, 15, maybe even 20% over the next several years, just because of the graph here showing you that the market has been on an absolute historic bull run here. So there's been a lot of good developments in the economy, Tax reform definitely helping out a lot of companies to repatriate a lot of money that's been held overseas. But I think there's quite a bit of risk in the market right now. I'm going to be continuing to put money into the markets as well. So I still think there is opportunity to make gains in the market, but just take that into consideration. There's been a historic bull run over the last few years. I believe this is going on 7 to 8 years now. Again, rebounding from that 2008 Great Recession, 2007, 2008 Great Recession. The market has been performing very, very well. And even with that pullback over the last month or so, you can still see this robo-investor is up 4.14%. Over the last 6 months, 10.51%. So the market is still very strong. I don't think there's any panic that should be interjected into the market. So let me know what you guys think about that prior graph on the historic bull run. A lot of investors would argue that there is little value left in the markets because of the historic bull run, that we are setting ourselves up for another 2001, 2007 pullback in the market, large correction in the stock market. I wouldn't disagree with that, but I still think there is good opportunity left in the market. I'll continue to be investing in the market as I have been on the Robinhood portfolio, the Stash Invest portfolio, and this portfolio as well, the Acorns portfolio. So again, let me know what you guys think about the market. Let me know if you guys are still on Acorns. I know a lot of viewers on the channel have jumped over to Robinhood, have jumped over to M1 Finance as well. I'll be putting out some videos about M1 Finance. Very impressed with that particular application. I think it's a hybrid between Stash Invest and Acorns here. Has a lot of different options, a lot of pre-planned options as well for new investors jumping into the market without a lot of market knowledge. So definitely like M1 Finance, and I'll be doing some more videos about that. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy the videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave comments down below if you have any questions about this video, other videos. I tried my best to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.